Good morning, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to utilize the book resource. In the previous video, I showed you how to embed a Google Calendar into your class. So now this video, we're going to look at the book resource. Now, some instructors do set up their courses in this manner. However, it's not a common item that's used, so some instructors are thrown off on this. Now, the RN to BSN program is utilizing this, and some of the instructors teaching in this program, namely the ones that are not teaching nursing courses but are teaching some of the gen eds required for the BSN degree, were initially caught off. They were like, I can't edit. What's happening? Well, see, when you click on this right here, once you've added this by going to add an activity or resource, then you add the book. You do need to make sure that your editing is on. So now we're going to click on the book and we're going to give it a title. I guess I'm going to give it a generic title. Table of content, or you will learn the basics of so when you open the module, you're automatically given the opportunity to type your first page in your table of contents. Now, once we save the changes, your table of contents will appear here, and you'll see the item that you just typed will appear here. And you see you don't edit in the main area of the page when you're in the book. You edit from the table of contents, and you select the first icon here, and then you're given the opportunity to edit. So I'm going to get out of that. Here you would delete. Here you can hide the chapter if you don't need students to see that as of yet. And then here you would add a new chapter. So on and so forth. And if you would like to change the order in which they appear, you would hit these arrows. Once you have more than one chapter in your table of contents, the arrow icon will now appear. It caught a few instructors off guard initially. However, as you continue to work in this book, you will get the hang of that. Once you've got it, you have it. If you do have additional questions, feel free to come by the Burton Business Center and visit the Electronic Learning Center. Appointments are available on Monday through Thursday, 7:30 to 5 p.m. and Friday, 7:30 to 11:30 a.m. I hope you guys have a great day. Goodbye.